The other night I was craving chips and dip, but I had no chips. I did have a little salami, so I came up with this creative way to serve some salami as chips. So you'll need 200 grams of mild Hungarian salami, and we're going to take the skin off. So we'll just open that up. I like the flavour of the Hungarian salami. It's got lots of spices and garlic through it, and we'll take the skin off very easily. Use that tip of the knife just to run around it so we can take the skin off. And now we're going to slice this into chips. So we'll take the first bit off. We want perfect rounds, and you want them to be quite thin because we want them to go crisp as they cook in the oven. So I'll thinly slice these. They don't need any oil or salt whatsoever, just straight onto a tray and into the hot oven to roast until they're crispy. Salami chips are out of the oven, and I want to show you how crispy they turn out after baking in the oven and then letting cool down. Look at this. Oh, so good. That's what we're after when it comes to a good chip. I'm going to serve mine just with some hummus. So we'll place some hummus in a bowl. Nice creamy hummus on the side. You could serve this with guacamole if you like, or any dip of your choosing. And we'll pile up all of these lovely salami chippies. And there you have it, the new way to serve chips and dip.